Welcome! If you're tired of hearing that stream stopped notification sound every time a stream ends on Discord Web, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off just that sound without missing any other important notifications. Let's get started. First, open up Discord in your browser on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and looking at the main Discord interface. Next, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Click on it to open up the settings menu. Inside user settings, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Scroll down and find the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to access all your notification preferences. Now, you'll see a list of notification options, including a section called Sounds. This is where you can customize which events trigger a sound alert. Look for the option labeled Stream Stopped. This is the sound that plays whenever a stream ends in any of your servers. To disable it, simply toggle the switch next to Stream Stopped so it turns off. That's it. From now on, you won't hear that sound when a stream stops, but all your other notification sounds will stay just the way you like them. This update makes it easy to fine-tune your Discord experience, letting you focus on what matters most, whether that's gaming, chatting, or just enjoying some peace and quiet. If you ever want to turn the sound back on, just follow these steps again and toggle Stream Stopped back to on. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, consider subscribing for more quick Discord tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.